at the surface, it's a beautiful sight. Everything is perfect, shining so bright. Not a crack in the glass, not a tear in the seam, living inside of a flawless stream. But why does perfect feel so hollow and blue when everything is perfect except for you? I follow the pattern, I play out the part. I've mastered the science of hiding my heart. The garden is blooming, the sky is so clear. There isn't a reason for a single tear. I've built this utopia, brick by white brick, but the air in the hallway is getting so thick.